So if you are facing divorce, it's always a good idea to start looking at your finances as early as you possibly can. Start collecting all the statements from any bank accounts, investment accounts, your 401k, retirement accounts, your IRAs, anything that has a statement, credit card statements, and then to sit down and really create a budget. It's something that you should work with your attorney on as you go through your divorce process to make sure that you've got a good idea of how much things cost, what you're looking at. It doesn't hurt to do research if you believe that you're going to be the one to move out of the marital home to where you're going to live. What does it look like with your children? What's the possession access schedule for each parent going to look like? What are you going to look at for child support needs? Look at where you think you could make money if you're not currently working. Start looking at your options. If you need spousal maintenance, make sure you discuss that with your attorney when you first meet with them. Just make sure you've got a good game plan and that you've got the knowledge. With the internet out there and all the AI tools that we have, you can use them also in order to make a plan to help you prepare for your future. In preparing for your divorce, start collecting all of your bank statements. If you can get 2 to 3 years of those, that's the best. As far back as you can get, I would start pulling those down. Make sure you get paper copies of things in case something happens. You want your retirement accounts, you want your investment account statements. Go ahead and get your deed, any deeds of trust on your homes, any titles to cars. You're going to need insurance information, life insurance, car insurance, health insurance. You're going to need any information on any of the properties that you own. You will need mortgage statements. You will need your car payment information. And that's usually the basics. So anything that has to do with an asset or a debt, you want to get as much documentation on those as you can. The best advice I can give when choosing a lawyer is you need to feel confident and you need to feel comfortable with them. You need to feel like you are heard with your attorney. Not every attorney fits every client. So you need to make sure that you've got that trusting relationship and that you feel comfortable sharing every intimate detail of your marriage, your property, your children with this person and know that they've got your back. It's always a good idea to prepare for anything that you face in life. And divorce is no different. It's a good idea for you to have a game plan before rushing in. Now, there are certain circumstances where it's not a good idea to wait. If you're being physically harmed, mentally harmed, those are some reasons why you might want to go a little faster in a divorce. But taking your time, preparing yourself, getting the information, the more information you can get, the better the outcome is going to be for you. So it's always a good idea to plan ahead. And they always say that a failure to plan is a plan to fail, and that's true in divorces too. So if you're facing a divorce and you want to know your rights or you have any questions, just reach out to the Boswell Law Firm. We're here to help.